Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. If you're wondering what a Schedule K-1 form is, you are in the right place. I'm going to break it down for you. So let us jump straight in. It's a tax form that reports your share of income, losses, deductions, credits, and other items from a partnership as an S corporation, a trust, or an estate. It's like a report card that shows how much money you made or lost from your investment. Now, why is a Schedule K-1 important to you? It affects your tax liability. You see, the entities that issue Schedule K-1s are called pass-through entities, which means they don't pay taxes themselves, but pass the tax burden to the owners or the beneficiaries. When and how can I get a Schedule K-1? So usually the entity that issues the Schedule K-1 will send it to you by mail or email by typically March the 15th or the third month after the end of the financial year. Remember, you don't have to file your Schedule K-1 with your tax return. You just have to use the information on it to fill out the relative forms and schedules. Well, there you go. If you have any questions, you can leave it in the comment section below. See you next time.